The new S-Series lift truck from Clark features force-cooled wet disc brakes. This brake system has multiple internal wet discs at each end of the drive axle. During truck operation, a supply of cooled transmission oil from the radiator is delivered directly over each group of brake discs to reduce brake temperature for vastly improved brake life. The brakes on the S-Series lift truck are designed to last the life of the truck for most applications, so there's no need for costly routine brake jobs except in extreme applications. The brake system self-adjusts if brake disc wear occurs. There's no brake squeal and no brake drums to remachine during brake jobs. Brakes and braking performance are not affected by conditions such as water, dirt, or oil. There's also no brake fade during demanding applications like typical dry brakes. The S-Series wet disc brakes are powerful, requiring less pedal effort for improved safety and cause less driver fatigue. The new S-Series lift truck from Clark. Smart, strong, safe.